full system Akrapovic for Yamaha X-Max 300. Yo, what's up guys, good day. So meron nga tayo ditong Yamaha X-Max 300 na poging-pogi guys. Ano nga pong tawag sa kulay na to, sir?
Ferrari Red.
Ferrari Red guys. Ayan oh, repainted na yan guys. Napaka-solid guys ng pagkaka-repaint oh. Napaka-kinis. Paikutan natin guys. Takpan natin yung plate number. Alright, so check natin kung gaano ka-solid setup nito. Yamaha X-Max 300, Ferrari Red yung kanyang kulay guys. From Golden City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Dumayo pa dito sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers guys para magpalit ng full system muffler. So ayan guys yung itsura ng X-Max ni sir. Napaka-solid guys. Mamaya papakilala natin si sir kung sinong may-ari nito guys. Ilang taon na po to sir?
Wala, 5 months pa lang.
5 months pa lang guys. So 5 months old na X-Max 300. Napaka-pogi guys. Solid na solid ng setup. Okay, so dito lang yan guys sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers. Abangan yung finish output yan guys. Gawin muna natin to.
Moments later.
Yo, what's up guys, good day. So ito na nga po yung finish output ng Yamaha X-Max 300. Ang kinabit natin dito ay full system Akrapovic, designed only for X-Max. Ito po yung appearance, napakaganda. Real carbon tip po yan guys, ayan. Carbon ludi guys, napaka-solid. Ayan oh, solid guys. Sa mga gusto makarinig ng soundcheck guys, soundcheck tayo without silencer. Alright guys, so ganito siya kapag ka naka-idle guys oh. Without silencer guys, sir, pwede pong parep. So yun guys, narinig naman kung gaano ka-solid yung tunog guys. Akrapovic, designed only for X-Max guys. So sa mga naka-X-Max 300 guys, so panahon na para mag-avail kayo dito sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers ng full system muffler guys. Ayan oh, plug and play lang po yan guys, napakadali lang ikabit. So yung client natin ay from Golden City, Santa Rosa, Laguna guys. Sino natin papakilala si sir pero napaka-solid guys. Maraming salamat sir sa pagtitiwala dito sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers. So full system Akrapovic for Yamaha X-Max 300. Ito po yung appearance from muffler to elbow. Diba? Solid guys. So pakita ko lang ulit yung X-Max ni sir. Ferrari Red guys ha. Ferrari Red yung kulay niya. 5 months old. Napaka-solid ng setup. Naka gold bolts na rin siya guys. Okay, so maraming salamat and let's go. Ayan guys, pauwi na si sir. Alright sir, thank you sir, thank you. Ride safe po, ride safe. Solid na X-Max guys, tingnan nyo naman. Oh, ano pa kayang idadagdag dyan sir na accessories? Wala na. Baka pagbalik mo sir, may bagon na naman. Alright guys, tingnan nyo naman, napaka-solid oh. Pogi. X-Max 300 guys, diba? Sir, ingat po.